Hello everyone, today we'll be working on number 26 of the Thermodynamics homework packet. The combustion of acetylene in the presence of excess oxygen yields carbon dioxide and water is shown below. What is the value of the change in entropy for this reaction? So for this question, we'll be using the table above. And since the question asks us for the change in entropy, we only need to focus on the third column of this table because it shows us the change in entropy for each substance. And the question also asks for the answer in joules per Kelvin times mole. And the table gives those values in joules per Kelvin times mole. So we don't need to convert anything. So in order to find the total entropy for this reaction, we'll first have to calculate the change in entropy of the products minus the change in entropy of the reactants. And remember that in order to find the change in entropy for each substance, you'll have to calculate the number of moles involved in the reaction times the specific value for the change in entropy. So for the products, which is on the right side, we have 4 moles of CO2 gas. So we'll do 4 times CO2 gas, go up to the table, that's 213.6. So times 213.6 plus, and then we also have 2 moles of H2O liquid, so 2 times H2O liquid, that's 69.91. So times 69.91, and close parentheses, and then minus, and then we go over to the reactants, which is on the left side. So there's 2 moles of C2H2 gas involved in this reaction. So 2, and then go up to the table, C2H2 gas, that's 200.8. So we do times 200.8. Then plus, there's also 5 moles of oxygen. So that will be 5. Then for oxygen gas, we only need 205, so times 205. And that will be how you will set up your equation. And then I'm gonna calculate the values using my calculator. So first, 4 times 203.6, that will be 854.4 plus 2 times 69.91, that would be 139.82, and then 2 times 200.8, that will be 4016 plus 5 times 205, that's 1025. Then within those parentheses, 854.4 plus 139.82, that's 994.22 minus 401.6 plus 1025, that's 1426.6. And then finally, 994.22 minus 1426.6, and that will be negative 430 negative 432.38. And then looking at our choices, we see that answer choice E is the closest to our answer.